Imagine a world where healthy eating doesn't feel like a chore. With fresh vegetables and fruits, you're just a few steps away from a healthier lifestyle. Chopping these vibrant ingredients can be a meditation in itself, a celebration of color and life. Cooking a balanced meal is not just about nutrition. It's an act of love for yourself. Packing your meal in containers organizes your week and frees up your time for what truly matters. An organized fridge brimming with healthy meals is not just a sight to behold, but a promise of well-being. Commit to healthy meal prep ideas because you deserve the best fuel for your life. Remember, every meal